Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. So onto this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and dive onto the step-by-step process to do that. But before we get started, let's do a quick overview onto the two platforms first. Starting with Alibaba in here. So if you're actually looking for online marketplace to start your dropshipping business, then the first option that you should consider is this one. So this is actually one of the world's largest online marketplaces, and it has over 200 million active users. So it offers a wide range of products and services, so you can find whatever it is that you're looking for. So as you can see in here, this has millions of business offerings, assured quality and transactions, one-stop trading solution, and personalized trading experience. Now here are some of its categories that it offers, and there are actually a lot more in here. So you'll just need to scroll in here, and before you go ahead and start your drop shopping on Alibaba, then you will need to create an account for that. So for you to be able to do that, just head onto their website in here, onto alibaba.com, click onto the sign up in here to go ahead and register. Now as you can see in here, you'll just need to go ahead and add in your country or region. Then you could also select a trade role. So you could do both for that, add in your email address, login password, confirm your password, your company name, your full name, telephone number, and then you need to slide this to verify. And once done, you need to click onto this if you agree to a free membership agreement, terms of use, and the privacy policy. So right after everything is set up, just simply click onto agree and register. Now, right after you have successfully created your account, you'll just need to log in. So as you can see, we're currently onto the Alibaba platform right now, and this will take you to the shopping page. So in here, onto the shopping page, it should give us an option to click onto the products tab. So here, onto the products tab, you should be able to see the different products in here that are available on Alibaba. So you'll just need to click onto the product that you want to buy. And after you have clicked on the product, you'll be taken to a page that contains its information. So for example, if you want to go ahead and try to buy this certain mug or tumbler. So if you click onto that, we'll get redirected onto another page. Now onto this page, you should be able to see the different variations that it offers, and also different list of details about the product, such as its price, the shipping information, and the payment option. So you could also start order request for this, contact supplier, view onto its membership benefits, and also if you scroll down here onto the bottom part, you should be able to see its attributes, other attributes, its performance analysis, customization, and most importantly, its ratings and reviews. Now, right after Alibaba in here, let's go ahead and try to see in here the other platform, which is Shopee. So this is Shopee's platform, and if you're not familiar with this, it is a Chinese e-commerce platform that allows users to sell products and services online. So this platform, it offers a wide range of features, including an extensive product catalog, a user-friendly checkout process, and automated order processing. So Shopee in here also has a large international presence with more than 300 million active users across 190 countries. And as you can see in here, one of the main advantages of Shopee is its extensive product catalog. So users can find a wide range of products from different categories. So we have here men's apparel, gadgets, to electronics, home appliances, foods, and also clothes. So additionally, the platform has a user-friendly checkout process and automated order processing capabilities. So these features makes it easier for users to sell their products online. You'll just need to go ahead and try to search onto your local browser to sign up for Shopee Marketplace. Onto this one, we're gonna go ahead and create an account for a Shopee Marketplace wherein you could grow your business and sell online. So as you can see, to sign up, you'll just need to type in your phone number in here, click onto next, or there are different options such as using your Facebook account or Google account. So by signing up, you should agree to Shopee's terms of service and privacy policy. And if you have an account already, just simply click on to log in. So you can proceed already to adding the first product if you're just starting out in here. So just click on to go to add product. Now as you can see, this is where you'll head right after clicking add a new product. So there are actually 4 steps for that. Add in the basic information, the sales information, its shipping, and others. So for basic information, we need to add in a product image for this, or we could offer a product video, a product name, category, and its description. So for us to be able to fill in the details of this, we'll need to go ahead and click onto the Alibaba item that we want to go ahead and try to dropship. So for example, this tumbler or this vacuum insulated steel thermos cup. So what we need to do is we'll need to save its images first that we could see in here. So you could take a screenshot or save the image in here. And then right after, we're going to go ahead and add it in here onto its basic information. Now right after, you could also save the video that we could see in here so that we could also add it here onto our Shopee Seller Center. For the product name, we're gonna go ahead and also try to add it the same product name that we could see in here. We could just go ahead and copy this one out, or you could rename it as per your liking. And onto the category, so you'll just have to choose onto which one it applies. So as you can see, there are recommended categories in here. We could go ahead and try to choose that, or you could go ahead and try to search in here so that it should be very specific onto what item that one is. Now for the product description, you should be able to see a description as well of this one here onto your Alibaba shop. So you're just going to go ahead and try to find in the description in here, or you could go ahead and try to copy out the key attributes in here and many more, and you could go ahead and try to paste it onto the Seller Center, or you could create your own product description for this. Now right after, once you have finished filling up all this information in here, you're just going to go ahead and fill in the attributes in here or the specification. So you need to go ahead and head onto the specification or key attribute center in here so that you could add it here. So for example, for the brand, so if there is no brand, you'll just have to click onto no brand for that. The country of origin, the cups and mugs, warranty duration, material, its type, the capacity, anti-collection, and the number of pieces that you want to go ahead and sell this. So you'll just need to go ahead and browse through the information first onto the one that you're drop shipping it, so that you should be able to see all of its information that are asked onto the Seller Center. So it's just like copying and pasting it, the information in here, so that you should be able to add it. So here onto the upper part of Alibaba, you should be able to see already the key attributes, its customization, ratings and review, know your suppliers, and the product description from the suppliers. So these are mostly the things that are asked onto the Seller Center as well. So you'll just need to take a note of this thing. And if it is asked here onto the Seller Center, you'll just have to copy and paste it out in here. Now, right after for the specification is the sales information. So you'll just need to add in a variation in here. So for example, this one, since the variation for this, it has a lot of colors to choose from just like this. So you could actually add that one as well in here. So you could add in also a price. So for the price in there, you don't need to go ahead and copy out the price that you could see in here. So what you need to do for you to be able to earn a little bit for this, you could have the price up a little bit, or it's up to your strategy onto how much you want to go ahead and sell that specific products. So add in how many stocks you want and the wholesale. Now for the shipping for this one, so you're just gonna go ahead and add in the weight for that, size, and the shipping fee as well. So you should be able to see that information also here onto Alibaba. And then for others, and for this one, this is actually an important step since we are drop shipping. So for the pre-order part, you need to click onto yes for that, and then you'll need to add in how many days are you able to ship that. Since what we'll need to do in here is you're gonna need to go ahead and try to wait for an order, and once you have received that order, you'll be the one who will manually go ahead and try to start an order request here onto Alibaba. So it is actually up to you. You could go ahead and start an order request, or you could contact the supplier for that. So you could send an inquiry in here onto what you need to do, or you could just go ahead and also try to start an order request in here once you have already received an order onto your Seller Center. So you'll just need to specify in here what are the different things that they have ordered, and you'll just need to add in also their shipping address in here so that it won't go to you. So these are actually depending to you, since there might be some who are drop shipping that it will go to their warehouse first before they go ahead and ship it again. But there are also other options wherein you could go ahead and add in the information of your buyer onto the Seller Center onto Alibaba so that it would go directly to them. So you could choose onto which one you prefer. So you'll just need to go ahead and try to fill in all of the informations that are asked in here, and make sure that you have chosen already the right time that you could go ahead and ship this to them, or you could choose onto the business days that you could ship the items so that they should know when they could expect the item to receive. And that's just basically it onto how to drop ship from Alibaba to Shopee. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.